yes, I hold you guys this responsibility. Okay, I promised you that I was going to be giving you updates with respect to my profit and loss, you know, on Xchangerate Bot. For those who are just watching this for the first time, Xchangerate Bot is a futures trading bot, okay, that is being used to make money on Binance exchange at the moment, okay. So they're looking forward to expand it to other exchanges like FTX exchange and some other exchanges like KuCoin. All right. So now they have a new website. If you have been following my updates since, you will notice that the website didn't actually look like this. Now at the front page of the website, they have tables like current month's highest. Okay, you have top target achieved. The top target achieved. They have a current top profit live. Current top profit live. So in that board, this is crypto niche right here. So crypto niche is in this number. What number is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 5. Okay, crypto is number 5 right here. So far, people have already made a profit of over $100,000 on the platform. Okay, then this is the bot. The bot is wearing a new look, as you can see from here. This is Kimberly. That's the name of the bot, Miss Kimberly. Okay, then by the time they actually launch fully, the monthly subscription has been reduced to $200 per USDT. Okay, I think it's per month. But here is not realistic actually, because these guys are paying a lot of money for their server. Okay, so now if you want to get started, there's a link down below in the comment box or in the video description that can help you get started. So for those who want to know more about the bots, like you want to know a lot about the bot, this is how to get about it. Just go to Google and search for review of yeah, just click review of Xchangerate Bot on Google. Then you will find an article I published about the bot right here. Okay, so this is the article contentking.media.com on Google. So just click on it, or you can just right click on it, and it's going to open the articles right here. So in the article, there's a lot of explanation about the bot here, the right videos to watch that will guide you, and a bunch of stuff like that on the article. So make sure that you read everything that there is to be read in the article before you start using this. But it is quite important. So I've done all the heavy lifting for you. Just watch and enjoy, right? So now let me go back to the review. I'm going to log into my account now, but before I log in, I'm going to pause this video before I log into the account right now. So you are welcome. Then you're welcome back actually. This is my account. Okay, Content King 2, this is the name of the account. Okay, then my target profit is 20%. Okay, the last spot I started 20%. I started the bot like some days ago. If the bot should hit my targets, I'll be making my capital will have increased to $422.52. Okay, but right now I'm having 352. Okay, 252 all the way from 346 in the last video that I made. Okay, so what is happening right now is that when I was starting the bot, I chose a low risk mode. Okay, if I had chosen a high risk mode, maybe the results would have been different. Okay, so maybe on Monday or Tuesday, I may decide to stop the bot and switch to high risk mode and see how far it will go. Okay, because I think this profit is slow for me. I want to make much more than this in a few days. Okay, but the good thing about the bot is that the drawdown is really controlled right now, and the probability that you're going to lose your money is so low. Okay, so low right now, because they've been able to reduce the drawdown to about 10%. Let's assume that you're trading with $80,000. So the highest you can ever lose, okay, is $100 with this bot. So the safety net is so wide and so strong right now. That is as high as you can lose, and you have not even lost the money except you decide to stop the bot, because it is called unrealized profit and loss for a reason. Okay, that is the highest unrealized profit and loss. So until you close the bot, you cannot really say that you've made any loss, because the fact that you are saying minus 100 in your account does not mean that the bot cannot make profit to cover up all the losses. Okay, so that is really the updates on my journey from $500 to infinity with the Xchangerate bot. Okay, But before you go, I want you to subscribe to the channel right now, okay? And make sure you like the video. And if you find this very useful, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and comment down below. If you have any question, ask me that question in the comment box of this video, right? So, and if you want to like check out the bots, there's a link right here down below that you can use to start your own bot as well if you're so interested in it. All right. So, but I can't wait for the next update because the developer are working tirelessly behind the scene to improve this bot. Like I always say, okay, they are working tirelessly behind the scene to improve the bot. And according to the message I saw on the Telegram channel, they are working on a very robust update and they're going to be launching officially very soon. Okay, so this is just like a test phase. Don't expect them to be perfect right now. I'm only risking, reasonable amount of money at the moment. Okay, once the bot, is perfect, like or very close to being a perfect bot, on the futures market, then I'm going to be bullish and go all in into it. All right. So that is the update for now. Okay. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye for now.